Welcome to GeorgeWay Math TV.
By the way, let's learn about exponents. So whenever you have a big number and a small number like that, that tells you you're doing an exponent question. And we call this big number right here base. And we call that little number that you see right there, that little number right here, we call it a power or an exponent. And there's something about this that I really want you to know more. Apart from knowing these, is when you have, like this case, you have -2 to the third power, or -2 exponent 3, right? What this means is that this number times itself this many times. So that's what it means. So -2 to the third power means -2 3 times, right? So it means -2 times -2 times -2. So this 3 times. And then you just multiply it. So -2 times -2. Negative times negative. We learned that it should give you a positive, right? So you have +4. And then +4 times -2 is what? -8. Really? Really? So you gonna give me these easy questions like that? Really? Alright. Let me just finish this in 20 seconds. Alright, so 2 to the 4th power. 2 to the 4th power means this times itself this many times. So it means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And what is 2 times 2? 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So that means 2 to the 4th power is what? Is 16. Okay. And then -3 to the power 2 means -3 times itself 2 times. So when I always want to, with negatives, I always want to make sure I have my parentheses. The teacher thought he was going to trick me. So because it's in parentheses, that tells me with negatives, -3 times itself 2 times. So -3 times -3. And negative times a negative is positive. So -3 times -3 is what? +9. Okay. Oh man, so he's trying to trick me right here. So now there's no parentheses. So with negatives, if it's positive, it's fine. But with negatives, if there's no parentheses, that means if there's no parentheses around the negative, that means I have to forget about the negative for a second. And then I have to do this part right here. So 3 to the power 2 means what? 3 times 3. And after I get the answer, I'm just going to add the negative side to it. So 3 times 3 is what? Is 9. And then I'll just add the negative sign. So if it was in parentheses, like that, I would have just multiplied by itself that many times. But if it's not in parentheses, I know I have to do this one first. And when I'm done, I just add a negative sign. This teacher was trying to trick me. I know the George way. I'm good.
Please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to be notified for new videos, and share.